Hi, my name is Rebecca Whiteman, and I am an estate planning and probate attorney. I work at Whiteman Legal. Um, Today I wanted to talk about what the heck an estate plan is, because if you're like most people, when I say I'm an estate planning attorney, their eyes kind of glaze over and they have no idea what I'm talking about. So I'm going to answer that for you today. When people say estate plan, it's essentially a generic term for what happens to you and your stuff and your kids and your house and your dog. No, not necessarily your dog, but it could be when you die, or depending how you structure the documents when you become incapacitated. So every plan is going to have three core documents. Every plan will have a will. Every plan will have a medical directive, and every plan will have a financial power of attorney. The medical directive essentially says, if I become incapacitated, this is who can act in my name. This is who I have elected to make decisions. And these are some of the things that I would want to have happen. These are my wishes. The financial power of attorney is similar to that, and except for that it works for financial things, like selling a car, for instance, or accessing bank accounts or changing beneficiaries sometimes. It just depends on the powers that you give to that power of attorney. And also, you can decide whether it's just when you get incapacitated that you want that to come into being, or whether you just want it all the time. Okay, so those are the three. And then sometimes you have this wild card, the living trust, which I'm sure you've heard about trusts. And a trust is, in addition, you'll still have a will. It'll be a special kind of will, a pour-over will. But a trust is sometimes a part of those documents, just depending on what your preference is, how you want things to go, whether you want to have maximum say, and flexibility, which a trust gives you. So those are the documents that would be in a trust plan. In an estate plan. Then after that, there's a little bit of variety depending on the attorney, what else they include. So for instance, I like to include some other extra documents that just make doubly sure that you know exactly how your kids are going to be transferred if something happens to them, and also some instructions for what you'd like to have happen there. And then also just including some documents and some ways of preserving your values as an individual. So anyway, if you have any questions at all about estate plans, I'd love to talk to you. Again, my name is Rebecca Whiteman, and I am an estate planning and probate attorney. My phone number is 801-999-8223. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks. Bye.